Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel and at Mecum Car Auctions in Kissimmee, Florida. And we have got a lot of cars to look at, so it's going to probably be pretty similar to what we did last year, tent by tent search of cool cars. So let's get ready to go looking. Don't forget to check out the merch shop where you can get Todd's cool hoodie that he's wearing right now. And let's get into the video.
Yes.
Alright guys, so in the main solid frame tent, keep these cars nice and climate controlled. And it's like Corvette Alley right through here with a few Mercedes mixed in. Pretty cool. So we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Corvettes right here, and then 2 more over there, so that's 11 so far. Up, and then we got 12 and 13. Wow. That's a lot of cars. Got a Ferrari F40, super cool to see those. Enzo right here. And a very pretty color, like that. Yep. 2004 Ferrari Enzo, one giant wiper. That's neat. Yep, and the Ford GT Mach 2. Or Mach 11, I don't know. Oh, that's pretty. That is a pretty car. Look at that thing. That's one pretty looking car, that's for sure. Love the paint scheme. Nice. The wing and everything, super nice. Nice. Mm-hmm. Never in an accident or damaged.
2017, we found that in two sitting right in front of it. Now that one has 365 horsepower.
Wow, that's cool.
I like that little Ford script right across the front.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Had on a 66.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Corvette L88 Coupe.
This is the 2020 M8 Competition Coupe. They call it competition because it has an additional 17 horsepower. So this one comes in at 600.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And that's something. LS3 LED. No too much cover. What?
Snod grass restoration.
Ah, that's cool. Nice. Mm-hmm. Yep. Zip. Yeah, that's a cool looking car.
Spares for stuff out there.
Mm-hmm. That's why it's in this particular thing. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Also, that way they can do all the Corvette, all the TV shots. I forget who actually does the TV coverage for this. Looks ESPN maybe? Can't tell. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh wow. There you go, the shaker font.
I like
Wow.
it. That's pretty cool.
That made my eyes go buggy. It's like, whoa. Yeah. Ooh, Ford GT in the yellow. Yeah, 302 Boss in the orange. Yeah, the wheels are good on that. BMW is odd and strange and weird.
This would be more of a
Yeah, not sure why. And here we have the BMW that could have been something. Yeah, that thing really could have been something if they had worked on it a little bit harder. Definitely needed more horsepower.
Was it a hybrid?
Yeah, it was their first foray into hybrids, and it didn't end well. Only 358 horsepower, I think. Need more though. And as you could tell, they haven't really made those anymore. So.
You don't really see much about them.
No. That's cool. Like all the music stuff. That's pretty neat. Oop, here you go. Here's a C7, C7-2, C7-3. You got 3 of them here anyways. Yeah, the ZR one. Yeah, so see what's in here and what's not in here. The C8s are not in here. Yeah. Oop, got another Demon. Nice. The Demon number 950 pair offering. Oh, ooh, okay. That's cool. That's neat. Ooh, Barracuda looks good. Started looking at the Corvette, and that's a pretty one. Porsche Pine is really good. That's a pretty cool Corvette. Do like that. With the red interior, then the white, then you get the cover that corresponds with it. That's really good. Then the Sebring orange with the ZR1. I mean, you can't beat that. Yeah. So here you go, Todd. So this is, over here is the original Demon that they brought out in this body style. And then the 170 Demon package for 2023. Setting as the same. So one is the original that they manufactured, and then this is this model year one. So they're both in the same package, being sold as a pair.
That's what I was thinking.
I think there's a horsepower difference though. Go check on that. I'm pretty sure there's a decent horsepower difference in here. Let's see, this is 2023, the 170 pack. Yeah, so this is gonna be, 1,025 horsepower versus 900, I think, if I remember that correctly. So quite a jump in the horsepower. Here. So this has got 840. Yeah, that's the difference. Nice. That's a cool car then. So to go take a look at these Porsches here, because these things are looking pretty good. Yeah, so difference is 840 on the 2018, 1,025 on the 2023. That's the difference.
Significant. Exclusive series.
Plus also it comes with the 170 track pack ready to go. And we got the one orange Daytona over there. It's good, got a CUDA. And then, RT Charger. I love this added like facade of the air dam type thing. Right, but it's more of a facade.
You see the paint?
Oh yes.
The orange peel?
Yep. That's gonna need some help. Somebody slapped that together a little bit too quickly.
I don't know what the story is in that.
Yeah, but I can see it. Yeah, it is not. It is very textured. It is not a pure gloss. Okay, so that needs help. Yeah, but I do like that body style. That's always cool. And these Porsches look good. So Porsche 911 Turbo S exclusive. Ooh, the old Ford. Oh, look at the little Ford truck with the. Yeah, that's cool. Gives you that little wagon feel. That's cool. F47. Interesting. Oh yes, that's probably from Petty's garage, more than likely. Yep, got the Z06 in yellow. That's interesting looking. It's turning into green. Yeah. Yeah. Looks good. Yeah, the new noses are awful. And here we have a perfect example of where our society is going. Why is this here? Other than the fact that it shouldn't be. That's pretty. Yeah, that's a very pretty car right there. Nice Mercedes with the graphics and everything. Nice Corvette.
This Porsche, she's got a blue.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. Yeah. So someone's slapping the paint together a little bit too quickly here. Yeah.
I was going to touch it, but that's a pretty color. I like that. 1888.
But yeah, well, I can see the texture, and it's like that shouldn't be there. They were caused out in the outside tints that had better paint than these.
I would say Salt Lake's very similar.
Yeah, it does. And then this is a pretty color on this here with the wheels. Looks really, really good. And the interior, what is this? Yep. Has a nice looking interior there. Oh, it's got an extra hood there, I guess, for the engine. Oh, okay. Oh, that's where it is. That's funny. So one car's in the other car. That's weird. Yeah, that's a pretty looking truck. I like it with the black wheels and stuff. Ooh, K5 Blazer. That's a pretty looking one. Got the gator coming through.
Got the gator in the camera.
That's pretty. Now that paint looks much better.
Why? Black there?
Yep, nice texture on the top or two. Which, see, that's cool with the texture. And then you got the gloss. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. And then where's this another Apache here? Oh, that's nice. And then you got the window outline. Yep, that's cool. Yeah, this is nice. Ooh, I want to see the back of this interior. Ooh, oh, look at that. Look at that. That's cool. Yeah. And it matches the other interior. That is sweet. Oh, look at that interior. Nice. Hey, look, no screens. Isn't that great? I love it. And there's buttons. Oh, I love buttons. Give me cars with buttons any day over this other knob and nonsense.
Headlights are nice. This Porsche right here, those are...
Yeah, what is it? What are these called?
Aren't they flammable?
Yeah. What's the name on these?
I think this is a 959.
Yep, that's what my guess was going to be. Cool.
Yep, 959 comes out. So sweet.
That is cool. Yeah. Yeah, because the body lines with the wing integrated, that's a pretty cool car. Yeah. That's neat. Then we got another Barracuda. Quite a few Barracudas through this section anyways. And then what in the world is this? This is a 1953 Chevrolet Corvette King It CF1 custom. Bunch of words. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure what to think about those. It's interesting, but not a fan. But yeah, a lot of cool cars in here, that's for sure. Alrighty, we'll go check out some more. Oh, look at, now here you go. Orange Mercedes-Benz, the Black Series. That's pretty. If I remember correctly, that's a pretty rare color. Yep, the GT. Man, that is good looking. Yeah.
It's got still running. They'll be at the Daytona or not?
I think so. If I remember. Let's see, this Hurricane STO. Or Hurricane, I don't know how you pronounce that. Oh, then a very pretty Audi R8. Blackout with the V10 still. Nice. Yep. Pretty. Ooh, 4GT, nice. Yeah, like those cars a lot. Nice Ferrari. Stradale. GT3 RS. Nice aero on this. Wow. And great wheels too. GT3 RS. Ooh, I like that. That's a good looking car. What's this? So this is Ferrari, but Ferrari GTB Assetto Ferrano. Interesting. Look at how close those wheels are to the brakes. Wow. Look at that car. That's a nice one. I really do like that car. That looks really, really good there. And the wheels. The wheels look pretty good. Nice. Nice looking car.